We're now going to set up our VPS in DigitalOcean. Start by creating a new project to keep everything organized. I'll call this one Evil for obvious reasons. You can just skip this part. Now at the top, click Create and click Droplets. You can pick whatever region you want, and for this course, I'm going to be using Debian 12. This works well for most engagements. For CPU, we just need a cheap one. The $6 a month option works fine. And now for authentication method, I'm going to just pick the password option for this demo. Feel free to use the SSH version if you would like. It's really just personal preference. That password should be fine. Pick a host name. I'll just use Evil again so I can remember it. You can add more tags if you have a lot of droplets running. Then just click Create and we'll be good to go. The VPS has been created, and you can now access it. Pay attention to the server IP address in the middle, as we'll be using this later. Now go ahead and launch the droplet by clicking Launch. For this course, you can log in as root, but when running real engagements, avoid using the root account for security reasons. Instead, you'll want to create a dedicated user with limited privileges to reduce risk. To view the commands, you can type help. Here, I'm going to split my screen with the terminal running on the left and the command handout we made for you on the right. The document can be downloaded directly from the curriculum on your left. Just copy and paste this into your terminal to apply all updates and fix any network manager issues. You can run it one at a time if you want, but if you're lazy, just copy what we provided and press Enter. It might take a little bit to install everything since the system is fresh, so just let it run and update everything. Now here you can just press Enter. The proper version is installed and updated. Just let it continue as it's almost done, then we can install Evilginx. Cool. Everything is done, and all the changes were applied without errors. Now, we just need to reboot the server to ensure all updates and configurations take effect. Literally, just type reboot and then press Enter. I don't know why I just typed restart, my bad. Type reboot and then press Enter. You can click reload to get it to restart quicker. We'll install Evilginx as soon as the server restarts and we reconnect. Again, we have another all-in-one command that will install Go, Git, and Evilginx in one step, handling all dependencies automatically so you don't have to worry about messing anything up. This code can be downloaded directly from the curriculum on your left. Copy and paste it, then press enter. Okay, now after it installs everything, you need to wait like a minute or two as Evilginx is being compiled. This can take a little while, so don't freak out if nothing happens. It's just working in the background. Then, Evilginx will run automatically. I hope that was easy enough. We know that installing Evilginx alone can be frustrating for some, so we wanted to make it as easy as possible for you. The system setup is done, and we can now move on to the next part of the course.